How to fix Facebook can't log out on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook can't log out on Android phone. First, just open settings and then click apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Facebook, and here we'll find it. Click on it, and now click storage, and then click clear cache, and click force stop here. Now just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, you can just restart your Facebook, go to storage, click clear data and click OK, and your account will be deleted, will be removed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.